Secondary memory. This type of memory also known as a external memory or not volatile memory. That means when you save in secondary memory, the detail remain saved for a long time. It is slower than main memory. It is used for storing data information permanently. In this secondary memory, your information stored permanently, and when you want this detail, you can easily fetch it. CPU directly does not access this memory. Instead, they are accessed via input-output routines. With the help of input-output device, you can fetch the detail of your memory. Content of secondary memory are first transferred to main memory and CPU can access it. First of all, your content or your information transferred to main memory, then after it is accessed by CPU. For example, disk, CD-ROM, DVD, etc. First is a CD-ROM. You all know about CD-ROM. What is CD-ROM? In the short form, we call it CD. It can be read with the help of optical drive. The term ROM means that on the disk is read-only and cannot be altered. It can store up to 700 MB. The capacity of CD is 700 MB and you can't change the data. That means it is a read-only. Next is a DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc. DVD and CD look like the same, but the capacity of DVD is more than the CD. A type of optical disc technology is similar to CD-ROM. DVD holds a minimum 4.7 GB of data. The capacity of DVD is more than the CD. Enough for full-length movie. So if you want to save your movie, the one DVD can save more than one movie, and with the help of CD you have to take a 3 CD for one movie. That is a different. DVD are commonly used as a medium for digital representation of movie and other multimedia presentation that combine sound with graphics. See this there. This is a picture of CD and this is a picture of DVD. The look of both CD and DVD are same. Next is a USB flash drive. What is USB flash drive? USB flash drive we call it a pen drive. So pen drive is a USB flash drive. A USB, the full form of USB is a universal serial bus. Flash drive is a small portable device and that plug into the computer's USB port. What is portable? You can easily carry in your pocket. A USB flash drive store information, but usually a lot less than most hard drives. Hard drive means hard disk. The capacity of pen drive is less than a hard disk. So hard disk is a main storage drive and USB is a small part of your storage drive. USB flash drive vary in size and shape and can hold gigabytes of information. There are so many USB drive you can see in market and so many USB drive with a different capacity, 32, 16, 8 to GB capacity of different type of USB drive and different company of USB. USB flash drive are also called pen drive, keychain drive or a key drive or a memory stick. As we know, we can say pen drive for USB flash drive. Here is a picture of USB flash drive. You can see the small, it is a portable and small. You can easily take in your pocket. Hard disk drive. What is hard disk drive? Hard disk, every computer has one or more hard disk drive. Drive that store information on a metal or a plastic disk. You can't see the hard disk on your computer because hard disk is fitted in the CPU box. Hard disk can store vast amount of information including photo, video, music, document, program and more. You can store your file in lab in hard disk drive. all computer have a minimum one hard disk drive. Your computer hard disk drive store information even when your computer is turned off. When your computer is turned off, your information is stored in your hard disk. It is a permanent memory and never lost. When you switch on your computer, you can see your file again. Another thing is the external hard disk. External hard drive sits outside the main computer tower in their own enclosure. If we have a lot of data and we want to back up our data, you can take external hard disk and you can save your data into the external hard disk. It has also a USB port. With the help of USB port, you can easily attach external hard disk with your computer. This portable encasement is slightly larger than the hard drive itself, and it sometimes contains a cooling fan. When you attach your hard disk, you can hear some sound. The external hard disk is connected to computer via an interface cable, which allow the external hard drive to communicate with the computer so that data can be passed back and forth. So you can use your external hard disk with any computer, and you can attach your external hard disk and get your data from anywhere. So next is a computer memory. We all know computer knows only machine language, and machine language made up of only two digits, 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 is a binary 2-digit number. So computer know only that language, binary language. It is called a machine language. Binary code is a language that computer communicate with and use the process information. Our human ability to communicate with other is done in a number of ways, through letter, number, symbol, sign and sound. We all know human can interact with each other with the sound, with the letter, with the number, but computer interact only with two numbers, 0 and 1. In other words, the user use our sense to communicate with other. However, computer ability to communicate information is done in much different way. So here is a unit of computer memory. You all know unit of liquid, liter, milliliter, same thing, unit for kg. That same thing, you can see the unit of memory of computer is measured in byte. So 1 bit 0 or 1, when 8 bits collected, it make a 1 byte. You already know the capacity of measurement of computer. 1024 kilobytes 1 MB, 1024 GB 1 TB, 1024 PB 1 extra byte. Most probably we use MB and GB and TB. Here is some measurement of computer memory. So in this video we learn about secondary memory, and secondary memory is a permanent memory and some storage device of our secondary memory.
So in this video we are going to learn about external memory or storage devices. Computer memory is the storage area of the computer. It is any kind of hardware which stores data and instructions for the computer. They are classified into two types: primary or internal memory and secondary or external memory. While the primary memory is accessed directly by CPU, secondary memory is backup memory used for long-term storage of data. Its key characteristics are: it is slower than the primary memory, data stored is permanent, so it is used for storage and backup. It helps in transferring data from one computer to another. There are many different types of storage devices such as floppy drives, CD drives, tapes, etc. The earliest computer storage device was actually punch card made of paper. Now we have storage devices which are either magnetic, optical or flash memory devices. Let's look at each one of them. Magnetic storage devices include hard disk and floppy disk. Hard disks are typically installed inside the computer, though portable hard disks are also available. Inside a hard disk, there is a spindle which holds one or more rotating disks called platters. These disks are coated with magnetic material. These disks have a magnetic head which is used to read or write data on the disk. Floppy disks were used to transfer data between computers. The computers have floppy drives into which the floppy was inserted. They used to come in 5/1/4 inch or 3.5 inch size. As their data capacity was very less, pen drives have now become more popular. Next are optical storage devices, which includes CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. It uses laser and light to store data. CD stands for compact disc. They are portable and can store up to 700 MB of data. They come in three types. First is CD-ROM or CD read-only memory, from where you can only read data. Then there are CDR or CD recordable, where data can be written only once and then can be read multiple times. In CD-RW or CD rewritable, the data can be written multiple times, so it is also known as erasable CD. Next we will cover DVDs. DVDs stand for Digital Versatile Disc and they have storage capacity almost 10 times that of CD and are 20 times faster than CD. They come in three types. First type is DVD-R or DVD recordable, where data can be written only once and then can be read multiple times. In DVD read-write or DVD rewritable, the data can be written multiple times. Next is Blu-ray. The name comes from blue laser, which reads from and writes to the disc rather than the red laser of DVD. This allows it to store. There are dual-layer, triple USB flash drives, memory cards or SD cards, etc. They have now become very popular as it is more cheaper, efficient and reliable solution. USB flash drive or pen drive is a portable memory storage device which is the size of a human thumb and connect to computer via a USB port. It can store data up to 1 TB. It is compact, fast and convenient, so it is typically used to store and transfer files. Memory card is used to store photos, videos in cameras, smartphones and gaming consoles. They can store images up to 128 GB. SD or secure digital card comes in micro SD or mini SD size as well. Nowadays, storing data online and in cloud is becoming popular as people need to access on a network of remote servers which are either magnetic or optical.